For a premium-looking camcorder with premium features to match, Panasonic introduced the HCX900 EBK. Full HD and 50 frames per second progressive recording produces the ultimate image quality. The high-sensitivity 3MOS system and Leica Dicomar lens offer beautiful images with staggering color quality, detail and gradation, capturing every moment in one shot. Keen videographers will love the high-resolution viewfinder, while a variety of manual controls and zoom microphone with exceptional audio quality allow for greater creativity. 23 times intelligent zoom and 12 times optical zoom helps you achieve impeccable image detail, while the large 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen helps display this. Hybrid Optical Image Stabilization Plus for steady hand recording gives powerful correction for beautiful images even when shooting on the move or zooming. With 16 megapixel still image recording, this camcorder doubles as a top-class digital camera. On top of this, users need only attach the optional 3D conversion lens to record amazing 3D images in AVC HD format. Create your own 3D movies in extreme reality. The stylish HCX900 EBK, Panasonic. Ideas for life.